Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna go grocery shopping. So ये last video के अंदर होने वाला था but it was not possible then क्योंकि late हो गई थी मुझे घर आते आते. So of course इतनी रात को late को क्या ही point था. So this was something that I was about to do in my last video but it did not happen unfortunately. Like grocery shopping we go every month or like once in 2 months. So today it's the time to go grocery shopping again and मम्मी के साथ जा रही हूँ मैं. So I'm just waiting for my mom to come. I'm thinking to go to a new place today but I feel like we are so much comfortable with this D-Mart that we have near our house that we don't feel like going anywhere else. So maybe next time I'll try a new place but since I'm vlogging today I don't want to look confused and stuff, so I'll just go to the one that we usually go to. So that's the plan. Also I'm filming like a short video, horizontal and vertical angle. Those angles I have to film every single thing twice. So wish me luck. We'll see you once we reach at the place or maybe once my mom comes. Hello. So it's been a while since I've got back home and it was too hectic. Like it was Sunday today, so of course बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ हो रही थी but बहुत ज़्यादा into 2 भीड़ हो रही थी आज तो. But I still managed to make videos. Of course वहाँ पे D-Mart में वीडियो बनाना अलाउड नहीं होता है but still I did it. And actually बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ हो रही थी which is why मैं properly vlog नहीं कर पाई but still I did make a few clips here and there. But of course I know that कि proper vlog नहीं बना है जैसा होना चाहिए. So just to give a little more like talking part to the video, I thought to show you all everything that I got particularly for myself. Of course पूरे घर का सामान आया but I'm not going to show you guys all of that. But the things that I personally got for myself, like every time when I go to D-Mart and I like to restock these things, so I would love to show you all of that. So this is a little haul video that I am just adding in here. Let's go. Okay, so the very first thing that I got, like a car fragrance thing, something. So I'm just gonna put it in my car and my car is gonna smell really cutie. It smells really nice. Then this, now like in my house everybody likes this Pears wala like sabun but I hate that soap. So I get myself like a different soap but still I can't figure out which one is like my ideal soap to use. So मैं हर बार change करती रहती हूँ but I really like the kojic acid one जो कि of course D-Mart में नहीं मिलता है but D-Mart में ये मिलता है Biotic का. So I decided to try this one this time. I'll just give you guys reviews about this later. Then I got this little scent because every time I see perfumes anywhere I'll just get that. I used to use these perfumes when I was in school, so I thought it will be nice to get back onto this. And I don't think if it's the same fragrance that I used to use because I forgot मैं कौन सी फ्रेग्रेंस यूज़ करती थी. I don't remember the name, but I definitely remember the color of the bottle. Yeah, it was definitely not this. This is blue. That was like kind of like a purplish in color. But the fragrance of this is Starlit Bloom. Let's try this out. Yeah, like somehow I like kind of remember मेरा बचपन with this smell. So it is a good smell. This is something that I've restocked again. मैंने इस वाली sunscreen के like कम से कम, I'm not even exaggerating, मैंने कम से कम इस वाली sunscreen के 10 डब्बे खाली कर दिए होंगे. And I still love this one. These 2 packets of rubber bands. I always keep losing my rubber bands. So wherever I see rubber bands, I just buy them. Then I got these scotches because I want to clean my car tomorrow. So I might vlog that too. So stay tuned. Then I got this Pilgrim's Vitamin C, 10% Vitamin C face serum. Guys, this bottle is opened. ये खुली bottle पड़ी है. Oh my god. I don't think I could use this honestly. Well, moving on. Then I got this Garnier's Vitamin C again. Vitamin C. I have never been like fan of Garnier, to be honest. But I thought to give this a try, okay? This is very random, but this is something that nobody in my house uses. These are the toilet rim blocks, and I like nobody in my house uses this, but I use this in my washroom. I think this is a really nice invention that like a human has made. Then I got these 2 bottles of powders. Honestly, I don't use powder at all, but I saw this Pond's का powder. Now for some reason I find this Pond's का powder so nostalgic. जब छोटी थी when I used to go at my nanny's place, वहाँ पे powder रखा रहता था and मैं लगाती थी, इसको मुंह पे लगा लेती थी, and the smell, it makes me feel so nostalgic. So I got this one, and इसके साथ मैं ये वाला भी ले आई. Then I've restocked my shampoo. This is Scalp Pro का shampoo, and again मैंने ये वाले shampoo के बहुत सारे डब्बे खाली कर दिए हैं at this point. Now you don't really have to use conditioner after using this shampoo because it claims that it has conditioning power as well. But I'm so habitual of using conditioners that I want to use conditioner after using my shampoos. So now this is weird, but I use this Dove ka conditioner because it smells so nice and it works so great. So yeah. Now of course there are like a lot of products that I of course don't buy from DMart because they aren't available on DMart, like my face wash जो कि simple का है, and my deodorants and all of those things. So उनकी shopping मेरी like monthly या like once in 2 months उनकी shopping मेरी अलग होती है. मैं online ही वो खरीदती हूँ, but बाकी जो चीज़ें मुझे DMart में मिल जाती हैं I get them. Yeah, that is all जो मैंने अपने लिए that I got for myself particularly. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. And yeah, bye bye.